Hey, what's up, beautiful people? This is Doris, the vegan multi-potentialite. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about me creating a concoction for my daughter. This isn't necessarily a concoction for when she does get sick, but just preventative medicine so that she isn't full of mucus. It's allergy season right now, so there's a lot of things that's going on in the air, and just to prevent her from, getting infected from free radicals. So right now I'm just simply using 5 oranges. Sometimes I'll use grapefruits, lemons, and limes with it, a squeeze of each of the other fruits, but this is all I had on hand, so I simply just used the 5 oranges. I cut them out of the rind instead of having to peel them individually, and I simply put them in the blender, the personal blender, and again I just used the excess juice and put it inside of the blender, and I just blend it up as though she's drinking or she's eating an entire orange. And you can strain this. I noticed at the end of the video I didn't really strain it. I didn't add that on there, but you don't have to if you don't want, because like I said, it's like them eating 5 oranges. But if you have a smaller child or a child that doesn't like the pulp, then make sure that you strain it out before giving it to them, because again it's kind of stringy. It's like they're eating a regular orange. So yeah, I just simply cut the oranges out, and yeah, continue watching. So here I added chia seeds to it. I added 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 2 tablespoons of blackstrap molasses. Chia seeds are really high in nutrients and antioxidants, and blackstrap molasses is really high in iron and other properties. Be sure to look that up. Both of them, they're really strong in nutrients, really high in nutrients. Here I have added a little bit of water, and I shook the bottle. I kept the rinds for compost, and for those of you that garden, you know what I'm talking about. And I just put all the ingredients into the blender, blend it up on high. On my Oster Blender, I'll put the link below to the blender that I have. Again, if you want pulp-free juice, be sure to strain it. You can give it to your child and add the rest to the refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Bye.